mathematics now?
Yes.
Okay. When you have open sentence in mathematics, that is when they are requiring from you to provide an answer to give a complete sentence or to give a complete meaning to that particular question. Are you getting me?
Yes.
For instance, now, when someone asks you, what will you add to 3 as a figure in order to get 10 as a number? If a person should ask you, what will you add to 3 to get 10? That is an open sentence. For instance, again, you know in mathematics, we teach with instances. When I teach you with examples, you will now understand the grammar. But in English, you continue to speak and speak and speak. But in mathematics, what we do is, you get your answer. Is that?
Yes.
How many of you love mathematics here? Hey, some of them don't like that. You don't like mathematics, right? Yeah? You hate mathematics? Please don't hate that subject. It is quite a sweet one indeed, okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, don't hate any of the subjects you offer in the class. Love all of them. I do not say like all of them, rather, love all of them. You love eating egg, right? But you love eating noodles. Yeah. So, as you love eating noodles, try to love solving mathematics that way, okay? If you hate any subject, you will not understand anything in that subject. But when you like the subject, you will try to know more about that subject. So, for instance, again, when someone asks you, what will you subtract in 50 to get 37? Okay, when you take it this way, when you divide 32 by 3, what answer can you get? That is still an open sentence. Whatever it will give you to give a complete meaning or to get the final answer, times 3 is equals to 12. So, they are requiring you to fix a number here in order that this answer here will be correct. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Look at what you do. Either you go to your multiplication table to get that particular number that when you multiply it by 3, you have 12. And that number is what? 4. By saying, this 12 here, which is our answer, divided by 3. 3 divide itself, you have what? 3 divide 12? 4. Are we all following?
Yes, sir.
You have your 4. So 4 is that certain number that when it is multiplied by 3, you have your 12. Look at this.
I want you to write. Class captain. Come and bring your master.
You will get 88. Find that number. If you subtract a certain number, for now you do not know that particular number. Okay? So you take that particular number as maybe any of the alphabets.
X.
X, okay? Okay, they said from. Because they said from, then this 90 will be the first figure you write there. Because they say you have to subtract that particular number from 90. From 90. Are we there? Okay, so 90 subtract 88. Look at what you do. 90 here is equals to 88. This minus s will cause the sign of equality. This is called sign of
Equality.
this is called sign of
Equality.
Are we there?
Yes,
So
sir.
when this minus x crosses this sign, it will change to plus. Are we there?
Yes.
But when it is plus x, but we do not have anything like this. We do not have anything like plus 1. That is when you are calculating figures. But you can have it as a figure that is found in a question. But when you are counting your, maybe when a teacher asks you to count from 1 to 1 million, there is no way you say plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 till your plus 1 million. No. When you are taking it as 1, 2, 3, 4, whenever someone listens to you, the person must have known that those figures are called positive figures. So this one here, minus x now, crossing the sign of equality is equal to plus x. Eh? Okay. So 90 is equals to, we've not known this figure here. Eh? Are we there?
Yes, sir.
So how do we get this figure here? How do we get this figure here? St. Vincent again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they have different. 90 minus 88, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Is that what we should do?
Yes, sir.
So 90 minus what? 90 minus 88. 90 minus 88 will give us x. Will give us the value of x. Yeah? Are we there?
Yes, sir.
You know, we were having this 88 as positive 88. But we wanted to meet this figure. They are called collecting of like terms. In collection of like terms, all the figures will go one side, letters one side. Look at the question here. That you have to subtract a certain figure from 90 in order to have 88. Okay? Okay. Now, what you have to do is what we call collecting of like terms. A collection of like terms, figures one side, alphabet the other side. Now we have two figures here, 90 and 88. They are the two figures we have in the question. Then we have only one letter. That letter is when you have to provide a figure there in order to have your complete terms. A collection of like terms, we have to do something on this 90 and 88. Now you write your 90. Now you consider this equal to this equal sign. The figure that is coming after the equal sign is in positive form. This is plus 88. But you want it to meet with this figure here at the left hand side. So when it is coming to this side, the sign will now change to what? Minus 88. Are we all following? Yes. So you have it as minus 88 is equals to what? This minus s will go over to this side. And when it goes over to this side, it will change to what?
Plus x.
Will you write plus s?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay. You have it as s. So now, 90 minus 88 will give you what?
2.
2 is equals to s. That is x is equals to
2.
This is your final answer.